Right, so I've won the trade, won two trades now, and I've lost one. Right, so I've taken three trades overall, and usually I don't like taking more than three trades. So I lost one, and I won two. All right, so that is how you can use price action along with support and resistance zone, and you'll be making consistent profit. All right, once again, I want to show you how to trade binary options and be making consistent profit. For those of you that do not know how to trade binary options, I encourage you to learn how to trade binary options, because binary options is one of the very good platform that you can use to make a consistent profit every day. That is, if you know what you're doing, if you know how to analyze the market, if you know where to take your trade and where to exit your trade, and so on and so forth, you can be making consistent profit. All right, so I want to show you how really you can be trading binary options and making consistent profit. I'm going to be showing you my strategy. All right, other forex traders that are trading binary options, they have their respective strategy that they use. But for me, I'm going to show you, if you can be patient and apply the strategy that I use, you can be making consistent profit. All right, so I'm going to be using my phone actually, and with your phone you can also be trading binary options and making consistent profit. Some people say, well, they do not have a PC, all right, to start trading the forex or the trade binary options. I can tell you that you can actually use your phone. All right, with your phone you can analyze the market. That is, if you do not have a PC, you can analyze the market and place a trade and be making consistent profit. Just follow the rules. All right, so with what we have here, you can see that I'm on Euro USD pair. You see that overall it's on an uptrend, and with what I can see here, it's like it's correcting to a support to continue to trade. Except if the sellers, they are very, very strong, then they are going to break through this support. Okay, I'm going to place my horizontal line. Okay, so this is the support. All right, see that the price came to this support, broke out of it. The sellers broke out of the support, the buyers came in. You can see with this candlestick, if the candlestick close above it, it means that the sellers will continue to push the price up. All right, so we have few seconds to the end of the formation of the candlestick. All right, so if it closes above these support, then okay, it closed above it, so it's going to continue to go up. So when it comes back to retest this support, that's a very good place to place a trade. All right, so the strategy that I use is price action. I take my trade from support and resistance zone, because support area or zones, the area or zone where buyers are actually waiting to buy into the market, while resistance is zone or area where sellers are queuing up to sell into the market. So either way, you can make profit buying, you can also make profit selling. All right, you can be a buyer and also be a seller at the same time. All right, just take your buying or sell trade at the appropriate location. All right, so the next candlestick is about closing. When you're trading binary options and when you're trading forex, you need to also be patient. Ensure you place your trade at the appropriate location. You don't just rush into taking trade. You have to be patient to see the correct location to play trade. All right, so the candlestick has closed and it has formed inverted pin bar. All right, so it's likely to reverse down, but as you can see, it's on an uptrend, so it will not be wise for me to sell into this market. If I sell into this market, I'll go against the trend. Now you see this pin bar, it signifies weakness of the buyers at this resistance zone. All right, so because the buyers are weak at this zone, the sellers could come in and move the price to this support down here. All right, so I'm going to wait, I'm going to be patient with this for the close of the other candlestick. Meanwhile, let me check gold and see how gold is doing. Gold is also an uptrend, and then Bitcoin is downtrend and is ranging at this point. All right, okay, it's ranging, but it really wants to go up. But let me stick to Euro USD. See, okay, next candlestick has closed. The candlestick is small, signifying weakness. So probably it's going to reverse down, but I will not place any trade here, because if I place a sell trade, I'll be going against the trend. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to come back again if I see a good place to place a trade. Okay, so it's coming back to the support. All right, so let me just wait a little bit for it to get to the support. When it gets to the support and it's getting to, and it closes at the support, then it's likely going to reverse at the point. So let's just wait and see. Okay, it's coming down. Okay, so it has closed. All right, let's see. It's coming down a bit. Okay, it's going back up, but we need to be careful here. Let's see. See, when you're trading, don't rush into taking any trade. You need to be very, very careful to place the trade at the correct location. So let's see. Just be patient. See. So if I place a buy trade here, I would have actually won the trade, but I really want to be careful and be patient to ensure that I enter at the right time. Right, one do not need to rush into taking any trade. If I miss any opportunity, I can always get another opportunity. Right, candlestick has closed. Let's see, it's coming down, going back up. This is buyers, the buyers are the ones responsible for that. Okay, let's see, come down a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, next 30 seconds, gonna close. Okay, let's wait a little bit. I'll just wait for this to close and then going down to the support zone. I think I'll buy at this point, but I can see that it's going to reverse. Okay, so I placed a buy trade at this point. Why did I place the buy trade? I placed the buy trade here because this is the support, meaning the buyers are here queuing up to push the price up. Of course, the sellers are going to get involved, but you see that this zone is the buyer's zone. Except the sellers are stronger here, that's when they will push the price down. All right. But let's see before the end of the time expiry, 1 minute, if these buyers are strong. Okay, the sellers are pushing it down again. You can see that the overall trend is up. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay, I think the sellers are strong at this point. Okay, right, so okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to wait for it to come down a little bit before I place the trade. Okay, let's see. All right, okay, I placed a buy trade at this point. Why did I place a buy trade here? I placed a buy trade here because this zone really is buyer zone. Right, though the sellers are pushing it down, so you can see that it's reverse here, it's reverse here, and probably it's also going to reverse at this point. So let's just wait for it to close. Right, a few seconds left. See what happened here. Previously it reversed here. This point also is likely to reverse because of the previous reversal here and because of the presence of the buyers here. Okay, a few seconds left. Okay, so I've won this trade. Okay, so now let me look for another trade. So when you are trading, You have to be patient. You don't have to be controlled or influenced by your previous trade. You lose the previous trade, don't allow it to influence your next trade. Just make sure that you follow your strategy. As a forex trader, I cannot win all of the time. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. All right. Okay, so the price is going up. This area is buyer zone. If I had taken another trade, I would have actually won the trade. Okay, but I was just being careful. Okay, let me check another pair. Let's see. Check another pair. Okay, Euro JPY is actually going up. Okay, it's on an uptrend. So what I will do is let's see what happens. This candlestick close and comes back to retest this zone. This is the support zone. You can see how strongly it's going up now. So it's going to continue to go up because that's closed above this resistance. So when it closes above the resistance and comes back to retest this support, there is that resistance, I'm going to place a buy trade. All right, so let me just wait a little bit, see what happens after the candlestick closes. Okay, that's closed above it, so it's going to continue to go up. So I'll just wait for it to come back a little bit. So I'll retest and then I place a buy trade. Okay, let me pause the video. Then when it comes back, I will continue again. Okay, it's coming down to test the resistance, so just be patient, wait for it to come down. And when it gets down again, down. I want to place a buy trade. Down, 34, 33, 32. All right, so I place a buy trade down. Okay, so place a buy trade because I believe that it's going to come down, touch the support now, and then reverse to the upside. Okay, so let's just wait and see the outcome. Okay, all right, it's going back up, I have like 30 seconds to the end of the trade, and still above the, still going up. Okay, so the sellers are actually getting involved. Sellers are reacting. Sellers are really not giving up, trying to push the price down as well. But let's see, because it's on an uptrend, the buyers may have the day, right? So okay, right, so I've won the trade, won 2 trades now, and I've lost 1. Right, so I've taken 3 trades overall, and usually I don't like taking more than 3 trades. So I lost 1 and I won 2. All right, so that is how you can use price action along with support and resistance zone, and you'll be making consistent profit. All right, do not rush into taking any trade. Wait and ensure that the trade or the candlestick action or formation is at par with your strategy. You must have a strategy. Whether you're trading the forex or binary options, you must have a strategy. You must know what you're doing. You must know how to read candlestick patterns. And knowing how to read candlestick patterns doesn't mean that you'll be winning all your trades. Like I say, in this trade, I lost 1 and I won 2, so I'm in profit. All right, so thank you very much for watching till this time. If you want me to train you more, to show you how to trade binary options consistently and making profit, kindly subscribe to this channel or join my membership group or get in touch with me via email, and I'm going to communicate with you. I'm going to show you how to trade the binary options. And also, if you want to learn how to trade forex, also email me, and I'm going to show you how to trade forex and be making consistent profit. Thank you very much, and subscribe if you have not already subscribed, so that you'll be notified subsequently when I upload my subsequent videos. All right, thank you very much, and please kindly watch my video you're going to see on the screen. Kindly watch it and continue to learn more on how to trade the forex market. Thank you very much. I'm going to see you next time. Bye.